Worn-out dock levelers on loading docks are a safety hazard. Forklift traffic and weather wear away the metal surfaces, making them slick. Slips and trips from moisture create risk for people and your products. Slips, trips, and falls annually rank as OSHA's #1 cause of workplace injury. Problem solved. Grind the surface, coat it with Belzona epoxies, and add aggregate. We add a urethane coating in your choice of color and return the dock to full operation in under 48 hours. Our repaired levelers stay gritty beyond 18 months and counting.